Hello guys, I am going to unbox this brand new iPhone 11 Pro Midnight Green 64GB. So before I unbox it, I'm going to show you what's outside the box. So here you can see the iPhone picture. At the top, the logo. At the bottom, the logo. This side, iPhone word, as well as this side. So at the back you can find these details, and I purchased this 64 gig. Yeah, you can actually get 64, 256 and 512. Yeah, and for the colors you can choose gold, silver, space gray, and midnight green, which I have now. So let's open it. Oh yeah, I'm going to set it up later. So let's open it. There we go. So it's easy to open. There, right here. So here, there you go. Let's set it up. And the Apple logo. You can see that it has 3 camera: the wide, the ultra wide, and the telephoto. Yeah, and then now the logo is in the middle. Before it was right here. So as you can see, like choose English. Then I'm gonna use Australia because I'm in Australia now. So of course I'm going to set up manually because I don't have because I'm switching from Android to iOS. So set up manually, and because I have this internet, so I'm gonna set it up. There you go. And let's wait. So it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Here you go. So just continue. You can set up your Face ID now, or you can set up later. And of course you need to set up your password. So you can change it later. So here you can choose restore from iCloud, because here I switch from Android to iOS, so I don't have anything to restore. So here, restore from Mac or from your iPhone, yeah, or don't transfer apps or data. So you just like Oh, move data from Android. You can also, I didn't know about this one. Like you can use data from Android. But this time I'm not going to, because I don't want to move it now. So I want to choose um, data or whatever, music or pictures that I want to transfer to this iPhone. So here, so I'm gonna choose don't transfer apps and data. It's right there. Yeah, for this one, so you need to put your Apple ID. So I'm setting up without any Apple ID. So just to continue, yeah. So of course, if you don't wanna keep your iPhone up to date, so you can you can continue if you wanna if you want your iPhone updated, or if you wanna like install updates manually, so you can check that one. And FaceTime, not now. Location, of course I want to enable it. And later for the Siri and screen time, set up later. And then later also, don't share. Choose on display. See, let's check this one. Oh, of course, I'll change. So I'm going to continue. And for the appearance, you can choose light or dark. Right here, see? If light on one, if dark, this one. Dark looks nice. Light also looks nice. So I'm gonna set up to light first, then maybe I'll change it later for the dark. And go home. And switch, just continue, and that's it. So already set up. And I just bought this iPhone case, the silicone. Yeah. So I'm going to put that one. There you go. Nice and fit. Yeah. So that's all for the unboxing and setup. See you guys on my next video.